This video is for people who want to stare at the Alivio 3100 rear derailleur by Shimano. And to me the big surprise was that cable pulley goes in the inside. This was a shock to me. And also it has a extender built in. So yeah, and there's an extender. Usually I've had to buy these ones separately, but this one's built in, and I suppose it gives you more. You know, you can go to bigger gears. I can't take it out from what I've seen. And this is the Alivio, which will be replaced by Shimano Cues soon, but this will still be good. This is the current Shimano Alivio 3100. The last one was 4000. Apparently this one's been going a bit from 2021 or something. See, there's my extender from my old rear derailleur, which was a Claris, which is for road bikes, 8-speed road bikes. I've got a 9-speed hybrid, so I'm trying in my hybrid this. I've not managed to put it on yet. In a way, I'm happy with. I mean, I managed to bolt it on, but so far I couldn't get to the top thingies. But so you use a 5mm key, and there it is at the top of that extender. Really, it's built in. I'm calling it extender, but I suppose it isn't anymore because it's built in now. But it's a added long bit, and there's a cable that goes through there, and it goes on the inside, which was a shock to me. You know, I'm still recovering from this. All my rear derailleur so far, the cable pulley's been on the outside, so someone was saying that this makes it quicker. I suppose it's to protect it as well, you know, to keep it away from the outside, so you won't fray it and stuff, or it won't get caught in anything, especially for mountain biking, you know, when you're in all sorts of terrain. So yeah, and there's my old one, the Claris. Traditionally they go on the outside, you see. So I had to lie down once I saw that. And just looking at the length of these cages and the Claris as well, my Claris is an SGS as well. They're almost the same, but I think the Alivio is slightly longer, plus it's got its built-in extender as well, so the Alivio should get to a lot bigger gears at the back, you know. And there's my extender from old Claris. And that helped, you know, get me to 46 at the back, I think it was. And there's like, there I'm comparing it, it looks almost the same really, same length. Yeah, I've got my biggest tooth at the rear cassette is 42 or 46, I think. So far I've not managed to get this to go up. Well, I have actually without a chain, but my chain seemed to be catching, so I've ordered a new chain. And here's a close-up for you to stare at. There might be things that you see that I don't, you see. Yeah, it looks good. I ordered it on AliExpress. It came within 2 or 3 weeks. Yeah, there's a 5mm key for the cable to tighten it, to fix it in place. I don't really know if there's anything special about that. Now we're coming through and we're getting down, so that'll all be on the inside, so maybe that'll stop you fraying your cable as well. See that backplate on that thing there, I'll talk about that later. That's where I'm having problems with my current chain, but I think I've got the wrong chain. It's not a narrow one. I think this needs a narrow chain. So there you go, and there's a pulley wheel, you see, it says narrow on it. My chain is a S-ram, and there's that back plate. That's what I'm having problems with, because it's sort of rubbing against that. And if I rode for 10,000 miles it'd be alright, but then there'd be that 1 second where it catch, and then the rear derailleur would go in the wheel, and then I would do a somersault in front of a double-decker bus, you know. So I've ordered the Shimano HG53 chain, which is, according to Google Bard, is the right one for this item, this rear derailleur. So I'm hoping to get up to really big gears and get down to really big gears, you know. I think I've got 42 at the back, or 46. And here's pointless information. I'll do some pointless measuring for you. Some people this might be vital, you know, for that one person it might be vital, and that makes this video all worthwhile. So that's centimetres there. You see, I would like to have both gloves on, but I couldn't get my button for my video to stop it. Yeah, so there's because it comes with a bit of grease on it, and there's that back plate again, that's what it's catching. It seems to be a mountain bike thing, that. Of course, all these ones like Alivio and Acera and Altus, and in the road bike range, Sora, Tourney and Claris, according to Google Bar, they're all going to be replaced by Shimano Cues. But these bits will be alright for decades, you know, if you see an Alivio one going cheap or whatever. It was cheap anyway, it was only about £13. So there you go. I'm putting it on. See, there's a hanger there. I've got a hanger on my frame, and that means if my rear derailleur goes into the wheel at any point, that hanger bit will break rather than my frame. Because if you don't have one of those hangers, it's your frame you bend rather than that hanger. See, I can replace that hanger. So then I've got all my extendable stuff on. I've tried this without a chain, and it worked really good. Well, I say really good. It's not got anything. It's not got a chain to have to carry or whatever, you know. But it was really quick in that, so I'm looking forward to. But I'll need to check out the chain. I'll need to get a different chain for it, just to make sure, because it's when I go backwards with the pedals. Occasionally, it was catching that back plate, so. I'm presuming my chain isn't compatible with it totally, even though it is mostly. It's 99.9% compatible, but that 0.1% I'll probably do a somersault as it jams. So yeah, there you go. There's a low and high screws. That's the set, the near side and far side. So I just done that without the chain just to see, you know. And but I didn't manage to put this on this time. I'll make another video to see how I get on. Alright guys, that's it. Alivio 3100